Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the zipper closely with good light and a magnifier. Check whether the slider is stuck, the teeth are misaligned, or fabric is caught. Look for missing or bent teeth and measure any gap with a small ruler. Determine if the zipper is metal or plastic before choosing tools and lubricants. Note the zipper length and type so you can source the correct replacement slider or repair parts if needed. Begin simple repairs by removing trapped fabric using blunt tweezers and a small brush. Remove debris and lint from the teeth to allow smooth engagement. Lubricate the slider by rubbing a graphite pencil or a tiny amount of paraffin wax. For metal zippers, you can use a dry silicone spray sparingly. Work the zipper up and down slowly to redistribute lubricant and realign teeth until the slider moves freely and the teeth properly interlock. When the slider is deformed, remove it by prying off the top stop carefully with pliers. Replace it with a matching size slider and press it on using flat pliers until snug. Crimp new stops in place about 3–5 mm from the zipper edge to prevent the slider from coming off. For missing teeth near the bottom, sew a reinforced patch or replace the entire zipper if necessary. Test the zipper through full travel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.